Hello there, welcome to 30 Days of Grammar. There are some things that we should remember when we write. For all you know, writing is the most difficult aspects of communication. There are rules to be followed. In order to be a good writer, one should observe the correct grammar and some of the rules in writing so that your writing will be more effective and therefore easily understood by your readers. It is not enough that you have a stock of vocabulary. It is not enough that you are a good English speaker or you can write sentences using English. However, it is important that you have to observe some rules in writing. Remember that when you write, you are not writing for yourself, but you are writing for your audience. When you write, therefore, you have to consider the nature of your audience. Are they professionals? Are they students? And secondly, you have to identify the reason or the purpose of your writing. I know that many out there are very much interested in writing some stories, or what I mean, many of you there are dreaming to become a creative writer. And so for this reason, it is important that you have to observe some of the rules in fine writing. It is not enough that you write and then somewhere along the way your readers may not be able to get what you are trying to say. My point is that when we write, we have to consider our audience. Are they professional? Are they ordinary readers? Usually, those who are reading stories are ordinary readers. And so it is important that we have to use the words that they are familiar with. There are some writers who are very fond of writing complex, involved sentences, and they think that doing so is a virtue by itself. Now remember that when you write to express, not to impress. I hope that you get what I want to say. Thank you.